the majority of young office worker in the city. They are energetic, but they have not enough time to clean their lovely nest. Concerning the attitude of the young man, Pro 902 is invented by us. Steady going and fashionable sculpt, intelligent controlling mode, completely solve the neatness problem that always bother you. With international invention patent of sides brush, plus intelligent submerged rolling brush, plus super absorb capability. Regarding to special Chinese home environment, it can clean up not only the tiny items such as the dust, small paper, and hair located in the surface carpet, porcelaneous floor and wooden floor, also the big rubbish like peanut shell and fruit peel. If you set the time that you want it to work, every day of appointed time, it will start work to clear up the home like an exerting nurse. With 34 by 9.0 centimeter body, goes freely below bed, sofa, table, where is hard to clean up by you. With the configure of dummy wall, the machine can avoid some special area. When detecting the obstacle in the front, it can steer clear of the obstacle slowly or decrease the speed of crash with which you can set freely. With the auto trap function, it can turn around when come across the stairs, escaping falling. According to the floor surrounding, the submerged brush can adjust the height automatically in order to improve the efficiency of cleaning carpet and floor. 45 dB YAWP will not affect your home leisure time. It will go back automatically for recharge while the power is less than 20%. With recharging time of 100 minutes, more than 120 square meters of home space will be cleaned up easily. When you are back home after whole day's busy work, it is stay in the recharge base waiting for next day's work. Offer you a clean and comfortable home. Pro Scenic, special love for family.